I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, vlog. Welcome to Vlogmas day 4, I'm pretty sure. Oh, this little cat, she is sort of annoying me, but look at how cute she is. Hi. We're here this morning breaking one of my cardinal rules, which is that I never work in bed. But here we are, starting our workday from bed. You know, I used to work from bed a lot, like all the time I would work from bed, and I used to think it was crazy when people would be like, you shouldn't do that. To be totally honest, I've never really noticed like a different energy or anything. Like I'm not really into that kind of stuff, so you know, I don't do it for that reason where like, you know, you want to keep your bed pure for sleep. If you're working your bed, then you won't be able to sleep as well. Like, I don't know, that's not for me. It just, you know, it's not good to stay in bed all day. And I used to do that when I was younger, and I never really do it now. But a couple times a year, I just sort of decide that I want to. And this morning was one of them. I'm just feeling a little tired. I didn't sleep well last night. Woke up at like 3:45, 5:45, 6:45, and then like right before my alarm went off at 8. I just didn't sleep well. I just don't feel like getting out of bed yet, but I do want to start getting to work because it's going to be a busy day today, so. Anyway, it is currently 8:35 right now. I'm gonna start just making my way through my to-do list. I have a doctor's appointment at 11:15. I need to get through that. I have a call at 2 that I need to do some prep for, so it's just gonna be a bit of a busy day here, I think. But I think it'll be a good day, and it's Friday, so I really can't complain overall. Gonna catch up with Connor later, of course. I think that we're gonna make our spring rolls tonight, which I'm very excited about. It's my favorite meal that we make. It's so good. So I think we're gonna do that, and it's gonna be a great chill Friday at home. Okay, I'm just getting ready. I have to leave in 5 minutes to head over to the doctor, go into the OBGYN. Ladies, isn't it fun? No, it is not. Actually, you know, well, no, it's obviously not fun, but I love my OB. He is so nice. I just think that, you know, he's great. And so I don't mind visiting with him. He's very friendly and kind. But yeah, obviously the act of going there is not so fun, but necessary. So we just do it. Gonna throw a bit of moisturizer on my face. Took my braids out. I figured might as well. I'll probably take them out tonight before going to Connor's or before he comes here. I don't know what we're doing. We have not discussed. Spritz my hair with my favorite Be Care Love Superfoods Whipped Vanilla Coconut Cream. This is a leave-in conditioner spray, which smells insane. It's my favorite smelling hair product. Oh, I'm also wearing the leggings that I opened, or one of the leggings I opened from Astoria Activewear yesterday. Let me show you. Yeah, so I'm wearing sort of the like smoky blue colored ones. I really like them. I think they're cute. I just have on this little blue tie-dye shirt with it, and we are about to head on over. I am also moving all of my work stuff into the living room, so when I get home, I will not get back into bed. Necessary. All right, there we go. So I've literally been trying to call an Uber for more than 5 minutes, Uber and Lyft. Oops, whoa. Anyway, both of them, and literally no one will pick up my ride. I don't know what to do. I didn't give myself enough time to walk there because I was like, whatever, I'll just Uber. So, and I hate not having a car, I hate it. I ended up having to accept one of those like, take your ride for more expensive, and it's a Prius. Like usually at least it's a Uber Black, paying like $5 extra to sit in a Prius and be late for my appointment. Love it. Great. Thank you.
Well, how are you?
Doing well, how are you?
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting.
Oh my gosh, you guys, okay. Doctor's office was fine. I get in this Uber, she's like blasting this like Christian radio, but not even like music, like testimonial type things, which is just like, not ideal. And then she can't even like find where I live, so I was like, just let me out, I'm gonna walk the rest of the way. So we're walking home, but we happen to be walking past the Starbucks, so oops, very dark, but might as well pop in.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Alrighty, we are back home. Got my Starbucks. In case you're wondering what my drink is, I've had the same drink for years, but just in case you don't know, it is an iced chai tea latte with non-fat milk and sugar-free vanilla. Freaking delicious. Sorry, we have a girl on live for my client, and I'm just checking out what she's saying. Okay, well, Anyway, back home and it is 12:30. I'm gonna wait a little while before lunch. I have a call at 2, so I really should eat before the call. Molly Cat, you got a little something in your whiskers. You gotta keep yourself tidy. There you go, good girl. Yeah, so I'm just gonna hop back into work here, get a little editing done, I think. Look at Molly's little nose just sticky into the frame. You're so cute. What'd you hear out there? Should we turn the Christmas lights on for while we're working? I agree. Oh, it's just so much more festive and beautiful in here with the lights on. These two, I usually don't turn these on until, oh man, doing this with one hand is a struggle. Usually don't turn these on until it gets a little darker out, but whatever, it's Christmas. Look at that, so festive, I love it. Alrighty, it is 1:42. And I did not get anything to eat and I have a call at 2, so we're gonna eat after. I'm really not that hungry. When I have like drinks like my chai, it really does fill me up, so that's fine. I ordered some groceries that are gonna be here around like 3:30ish, I think. That's the deal, but we are rolling through our to-do list very quickly. It's, you know, I think overall gonna be a fairly light day. Obviously I have this call and I usually get stuff that I need to do because of the call, but overall I think that this is gonna be a fairly nice, light, easy day. So I really can't complain about that. Guys, I've been having the most insane weeks recently. So I cannot tell you how good it feels just to have manageable to-do lists with things that I can get done without having to like stress too much about it. It just feels so good. Well, ended up being a much longer meeting than anticipated. Now it's 3:15. I haven't eaten lunch. I hate when I do this, but we're just gonna make a really quick veggie bowl. I have some stuff already made for it, so we're pretty much made. I have like some rice, which is the only more time-consuming thing. I have rice. Actually, I also have these leftover vegetables, like roasted veggies. We could use those. And then, yeah, maybe I'll just make some broccoli and leave it at that. That sounds good. I just like filming myself cooking now because it looks so pretty with the tree in the background. I just thought I would chat with you guys really quickly while I do this and tell you a little story. So, in case you missed it in a previous vlog, I ordered a ton. Sorry, this is not great. I think that's maybe a little better. Anyway, if you missed it in a previous vlog, I ordered a ton of new holiday decor from Target. I just decided to order it online instead of spending like time browsing around the store. Just, you know, pandemic things. And I probably will still pop into Target briefly, just look at candles. I didn't want to buy candles online because I can't smell them, obviously. Unfortunately, like I've never ordered things online with Target before, but I guess they have to ship from tons of different locations. I don't understand why, but it's coming in a million different packages, which is driving me insane. It just feels like terrible for the environment. That's been sort of frustrating, but I got a notification that one of the things was delivered and I went and it just wasn't there. It said that it was signed for and everything, which is weird. So I just went on and reported that it never got delivered, and it said like, okay, do you want a refund or do you want it resent? So I said resend it. And within 2 hours, they had shipped a brand new one. Like they didn't even ask me any questions or anything. I could have gotten 2 of those so easily without having to pay, which is crazy. But obviously that's not what I was doing, and I was really just trying to say I'm actually very impressed with sort of their customer service there, that they just send the shit. It's sort of cool. And I am so excited to get all of this new stuff that I ordered, you guys. There's a lot of cool stuff. Also, hot tip, when you're heating up rice again, if it's feeling like a little dry, like this is feeling like a little dry, I just throw some water in it, the tiniest little bit. Ooh, I bet that's my groceries.
Thank you.
Thanks, have a good one. What was I saying? Probably like nothing important. Oh yeah, the rice. I throw a little bit of water in there and then you microwave it and it's gonna come out so much like fluffier and softer instead of like hard and piecey. What are you doing? So much better. It's so much like fluffier, stickier. I'm telling you, water makes all the difference. Throw these veggies in. There we go, quick and easy lunch. Let's go eat our lunch. Okay guys, I'm just packing up my bag here to head over to Connor's. I am still working and so is he, but it's getting dark and I don't like walking over to his place too late, obviously, because I live in the city. I can't believe how dark it is. It's literally like 5:10 and it's like pitch black out. So I gotta get moving so that it's not like totally dark. Luckily it's still early, so it's not like it's that scary, but still. Yeah, so I'm going to head over to his place right now and we're gonna finish working there and then let our night commence. All right.
Shall we?
We shall. All right, guys.
It's the breakup vlog. Terrible.
We're gonna make dinner together and tell you that we're breaking up.
Yeah. It's the most mutual breakup.
No, it's not a breakup vlog. So we finally finished work. It was a long one. I worked until like 7:15. Connor worked until like 8:15.
8:30.
Yeah, it was a long
No
one.
bueno.
Yeah.
But it happens.
But exactly, and whatever, because it's Friday.
Are you making a wrap?
Yeah, I'm making a wrap.
I'm very impressed.
Yeah. But I thought I would take a moment before I sort of like shut down for the night because I am very tired. For us to tell you guys. Sort of exciting news. Connor and I in January are gonna move in together.
Woo!
I don't know if this is even like a surprise to anyone. I've been talking about how my next apartment will be a 2-bedroom for a while now. I don't make enough money for a 2-bedroom by myself, to be completely frank. So, you know.
But you could change that. Subscribe.
That's right. Watch all of my ads, please. Pretty exciting. So you'll definitely see during Vlogmas this year us apartment hunting together, which will be fun little content for you guys and also very exciting for us. Like, I'm very excited to start looking.
Oh, I can't wait.
It's gonna be so fun.
We're thinking we're probably gonna move out of downtown.
Yes, we are, I would say 95%
Yeah.
sure. And like,
There's some really good deals.
there are great deals in downtown right now because no one wants to live here. And also like, I'm so sad that this was our last year in downtown.
Yeah.
Like such a waste because downtown is awesome. So anyway, we haven't really decided at all where we're gonna live. I sort of picture us looking at places in a lot of different locations.
Yeah, so moving more west probably. We're trying to be reasonable where we're gonna be affordable probably this next year.
We definitely want to save some money.
To save some money, to give some flexibility either for traveling or for a bigger place in the future.
I do like the idea of moving a little further west. I'm like I'm an east side gal. I love the east side.
We got
I think
a
the west
little
side
battle
is
going on.
super overrated. And I'm sure if I moved there I would love it. Don't get me wrong. Like I can be a bougie bitch. I can get on board.
Good.
But I also just really like the east side, I really do. So we're trying to find some compromises there. So anyway, those are sort of some of our thoughts. We are super early in this process. Probably, honestly, sometime next week in the vlogs, you guys will probably get some
Updates on our search.
Yeah, updates or maybe even some like touring apartments. So anyway, that's just what I figured I would fill you guys in on. Okay, spring rolls are complete. They look so good. So excited. I'm about to devour these, I'm so hungry. And we are watching The Bachelorette. We are so many weeks behind. But this is the episode where like shit's gonna go down with Claire and we've been very excited to watch, so we're diving in.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?